Everybody has that place in their life and or their business where you're looking at it going, how did this happen? How did I get here? And for some of you, it might be personal because you're thinking about your marriage, you're thinking about you as a parent, you're thinking about your siblings. For some of you, it's in your business world because you're going, man, I've been doing this for so many years, and you know what? Man, I did 4 million last year, and I really should have done 8. I did 8, and I should have done 16. Or I did 20, but man, I had to work too many hours, sacrifice kids. Like, how did I get here? And what I learned, hindsight, not in that moment, was you got to make a big decision. And that is, when it comes to your dream, are you committed to it? Or are you just kind of interested? And only you can answer that. It's not for me to judge it, because if you want to be average, that's okay. If you want to be good, that's good. And if you want to be great, amazing. But here's what I don't like, is that people that talk about wanting to be great, but they only do the things that it takes to be average. Because then you have a conflict. Listen, you don't have to be a $15, $20 million real estate agent to be successful. Like, if you want to do 5 million and that's your thing and have balance in life, that's cool. But if you want to build a mega team, one of my clients did 300 transactions last year, awesome. But be true to you in this. And so if you want to walk out here today going, listen, I don't want to do any of this stuff because it's just way more work, that's okay. Like, you don't have to do this. Comma. However, if you want to be good and you want to get great, then there are certain things you got to do to build it. And that's